Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria on mobile. While Terraria is available natively on mobile, this guide focuses on streaming your Steam personal computer version to your phone or tablet. This allows you to access your existing personal computer saves and mods on the go. We'll cover the essential tools and steps needed to set up a seamless remote play experience. You'll need a powerful personal computer and a stable internet connection to get started. Let's dive into the methods. The first and most straightforward method involves using the Steam Link application. This free app allows you to stream games directly from your personal computer to your mobile device. Simply install Steam Link on your phone or tablet, ensure your personal computer is running Steam, and connect both devices to the same local network. For the best performance, a robust 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection is essential, minimizing latency and ensuring a crisp visual experience. Beyond Steam Link, several third-party streaming applications provide excellent alternatives for playing Terraria on your mobile device. These services often boast advanced features like enhanced video quality, lower input latency, and broader compatibility across different operating systems. While some may offer free tiers, others might require a monthly or annual subscription to unlock their full potential. Researching these options can help you find the best fit for your specific setup and preferences. To ensure the best possible Terraria streaming experience, consider a few key optimizations. First, connect your personal computer directly to your router using an Ethernet cable for unparalleled stability. Second, invest in a good Bluetooth game controller. Touch controls can be challenging for Terraria's intricate gameplay. Finally, experiment with your in-game graphics settings, perhaps lowering the resolution or detail to achieve smoother frame rates and reduce strain on your network connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.